Not a good sign. I don't see one down here, but I heard it downstream more. I wonder if there'll be like way too many people buying it though.
That was how it was last year.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Hey, big, come here. Come here. Hey. Atta boy. These cows broke into this pasture. Go down to the river and see what that is. Yeah. I hear a cow mooing down by the river, which is not a good sign. I hear a cow over here, and I'm not sure if it's crossed the river. Hopefully it's just the neighbor's cow. I don't see one down here, but I heard it downstream more. Or upstream. Sorry? The neighbor's cow and the bull. Okay. Oh, yep, the bull's down there. Right in the river right now. Can barely see him through the trees. Well, we got a fence to fix it. They broke through into this pasture. I think it was last night they broke through. Got them back over. And they came through again, obviously, but we didn't fix it. Oh yeah, this was the one with screwworms in his penis. I still see some blood. Yeah, I see some blood dripping.
You gotta spray his ass.
Yeah.
We gotta get him to the house. Oh no! Cheaper to get electric fences. A real good one. Panels of solarness.
Yeah, I wonder how much a...
You get an electric box system with a solar panel, probably $500.
Yeah, but I wonder how much we need for like 300 acres. 400 acres.
Depends on how many strands you do. One strand will go like 10 kilometers.
Wow.
But if you put 2 strands on, now it's only going to go 5 kilometers. Put 3 strands on, now it's only going to go... But only need one, right down the fucking middle.
Yeah.
And barbed wire, just put it along the existing fence.
I always see a bunch of movable, easily movable electric fence. I think that'd be annoying though. I'd rather, even though it'd be way more expensive, I'd rather have an electric fence that always stays in the same place and you just turn on and off certain sections.
Yeah. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. All right. Needs to be a post in the middle of all these. Or top row at least. All those need to be cut. Those tall cat claws. See the pink?
Yep.
That's seeds.
Yeah.
See those? It's starting to seed. And it's got millions. Each one of those little pods, those little pink pods, has millions and billions and gazillions of seeds. And it's crazy. It'll take over. And it takes over by overgrazing. That's the best. If there's holes, like see there's a little pink one right there.
Bunch over here.
Yeah, That's a different kind.
Mm.
That's one that kind of crawls on the ground. They'll eat
Tiny.
that. But it's the same. It's the same thing. It's just a different kind of species.
Cat's claws.
It's called sarza.
Sarza.
Mm-hmm.
Is the viney kind? Or just
Both
the...
of it.
Okay.
The viney kind is called something else. The bull's down at the river.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw him in the river.
Yeah, he's in the river. All right, let's herd these guys back.
Okay.
Go that way like this.
Go, girl. Oh. Oh. Go, girl.
Enough, bud. Hey.
Let's go.
Oh.
No. She thinks she's gonna trick me.
Yeah,
She's smart. Yeah.
Because these cows, none of them really have any ticks, and they were just full of ticks. Because I would do the same with these ones. I would deparasite them. I would keep them and feed them extra. I knew she would come.
Yeah, when my cows have babies, I do want to try to keep them. I
You
don't.
want to keep them with their mothers.
Yeah, until they're full. Oh, not full grown, but.
Like 8 months old. 6 to 8. This is something that is an observation.
Yeah. And the bulls I get,
Here, will you block that off?
unless they become a problem, I want to try to raise them till they're full grown until I sell them.
Yeah, that's why we need an electric fence area where you can keep just bulls and stuff.
Yeah, that'd be good. That'd be good. I am a little bit worried about we buy cows at the auction and just put them straight on grass. Like maybe we should like corn feed them a little bit just in case they were only corn fed their whole life.
Sometimes you can see like this cow, she's in good state. I'm not gonna spoil it. Depends on the season too.
Yeah. All right. There they go. Where were you earlier, Clyde? That's okay?
Yeah, leave that
Yeah, leave this gate open.
Yeah, we gotta fix some things out of here.
We're just checking the bulls, make sure he doesn't have any screwworms. Yesterday's video, as you seen, we had to get screwworms out of his penis. Let's go. Oh. There we go. Yep, it's blocked.
Hey! It's enough! Go away, Clyde.
You're not getting out of here. Oh. Alrighty. What do they call those things? Cattle presses? We need somebody to sponsor us and send us one.
A head shoot.
A head shoot, yeah. I even saw this one collapsible compact one that's like the simplest one you could ever see. And it's just for the head basically, and you can kind of push it against their body, but I don't think when it's fully out from the wall, I'm not sure it's meant to do that. But even just the head part would work well for us.
Fuck yeah.
day after we sprayed it. This is the morning after, I should say. That blue stuff, it wore it off probably from him running through the grass.
Oh, from him licking it off.
Oh, he licked it off.
But I don't see any. It looks closed.
Yeah.
It's open because he keeps licking it.
Okay.
There's nothing in there, huh? No, it's closed. Closed up. Can't really see the holes.
Yeah. Just blood.
Yeah. That's a good. Means we don't have to do anything other than spray. And around it. You want to spray around it too.
Mm-hmm.
Give it a second. He's also peeing.
Yeah.
We'll make sure not to spray his hoof.
Yeah.
He freaked out yesterday. Almost had a heart attack. We have to keep him in here. Let this dry a little bit.
Wonder if there'll ever be it'll be hard to get whatever type of spray that is that they have in America.
Oh no, there's just gonna be stuff like that in America for sure.
I wonder if there'll be like way too many people buying it though.
That was how it was last year. I couldn't get the spray.
Yeah. Okay. So some people should probably stock up now.
That's why there won't be any, because people will be just stocking up, buying as much.
Yeah. At least before the screwworms come in. Well, they already came to America, but United States, I should say.
It's made somewhere in Central America. It's registered in Costa Rica, El Salvador, all those.
So I'm sure they got. I wonder what brand, if there's a big brand that owns
Paraguay.
Paraguay? Huh.
Made in a laboratory, MAHSA. That's probably the same place that invented the screwworms.
Yeah. Invent the virus and then sell the cure. Well,
yeah. See the difference between working on an animal like this compared to that gray one, that female one, had it on her face?
oh yeah.
See the difference?
Yeah, a lot harder.
Yeah. I mean, it was hard because it was on the spot that it was at.
True, yeah.
But he wasn't like, he's not aggressive. It wasn't hard to get him in that chute or to get the. You'll have to jack that around.